firstborn. Someone told me that he said always is our I have one and said no. Actually, it is we want to begin. That is the only child I have. And when someone comes and says, I have a child belongs to your pastor, you just tell that person that for them. That is it's the only child I have. I think we can hear what you're talking about. So there was some come up. I thank God that I'm in a clean air personally. I like to have my maybe the siblings. But a child, this is something different. A child is something different. So whichever is not come up, I thank the Lord for that. God is good. What about that those who how many of you saw it? I think so far it is Sister Juliana Brenda Jana that is good. So when I come in my faith, I'm complete. When I come in my faith, God, as we agreed, at 16, this time I wanted to decrease. 16, I want that I don't want to be a senior pastor of this church at 16. To go in the village in my farm, to be doing my own. I come once in a while, that in this church there is someone else. As a father, you may want your child to wish to and then when God does that miracle, which he did, and then he moves into our lives, not demand anything. And then if I die poor, which I just which I'm not I'm not good man. So and I spoke to him and said, you will not be drunk. You are not going to treat people as a doctor. You want to be a master. You will not be a director. You will not be a minister. You will not be a president of the church. You will not be a singer and footballer. Now I'm laying this on you. You need and I say, what will fail me to do on this earth? That even your pride will fail and even me my for you have to do it. And what I've gone through and what your grandfather went through, you don't need to say anything. Everything. So those are the words that I spoke to you. And I'm sure the Lord will do it. The child wants to know where the father is. The child is not necessarily speaking. Now that not being as a mother, when it is on the sun, we are going to fight.
So I didn't say anything. Now I'm going to
I was in the hospital.
of course, I was about to
The doctors
and nobody was about to be there.
There are things which are not believable.
But it's an empire of Israel about the hour.
I knew that I'm giving birth to 40s.
Therefore,
Women.
omukazi akulamba n'amupeza n'obakati kyasobola kuleeta
That you cannot
eze nali kalifunye oganzire nolero
I was so crazy.
naye okidukakasanga tebatalekubeofu
I continued proving that they even put our hands on me. So
amayuddewo okujja
I delayed to come the pulpit.
ajogera naye
And I was
akati
speaking to him.
tugerera mu tensi
Now we are speaking.
obadde mubuuza wasuze kati mubuuza mwasuze mutya
As we greeted, how we mourned, and how did you?
nagamba kamuku oyogerere musobereza mukama
God is good.
so ekyo ekyebaliza mukama wasobotamanzi mumusatifica wefa
I am happy
ng'omuntu nina ebyesungwa naye
as a person. I have things which are taking me off.
omanyi sitani wafuna
The devil is always stubborn.
nina ebyesungwa osaagalense
Enjoying this one.
oba okyali musanyu ekintu ekyo
You're still rejoicing of a certain thing,
ate ebyebizibu tekumanya
and problems will not know.
olyabaleka kubeesi ekikino ekintu kino
Those who
olina okubalansi y'essanyu n'ebizibu
So you have to balance joy and your problems.
This one is short. Let's not be
Let's back again. God is good. The doctor said you have to take care of him. He's going to take you over. He had 3 kilograms. God is good. Now I looked at him. When he was coming out of his mother's womb, he came empty and no way. But I told him he's going to visit him. And the voice, you are told him to mobilize people in Kampala, they will come in the campaign. Many places have been happening at the first campaign. Why am I telling you this? He came in Kawala with nothing. He died, but whatever he left, in Kawala it is respected than any other thing. That is the law of life. That is the test of life. You may enter an area that you are a citizen, but you are a tenant. When I have Jesus, I know who can make you a full, complete in that area. I have the Jesus. You may stand and testify. Because it was not easy that there are chains and broke. You hear there is a chain to see each other. I said today to break so. It is that you have chains holding you up. Even in your work, come on, in the soul to let it open in the eye. So what is going to break after she had given birth, we brought a child to him. And I got him and looked at him. There is that bone. The child is
kyasanyusiza
Now, let's see.
era nagambye
I say,
mukama kiba kisoboka katugale
if it is possible, let him be black.
aleme tuleka muntu mali afune maniya
So that everybody was in that category.
mukama
That is,
naye kakati kajja kutugala
but I'm sure he will be black.
naye